So listen, so we have a triangle and this angle is given. This angle is given. Let me denote this angle as, say, theta. It is a Greek letter. The angle is denoted by the Greek letter theta. What I am saying is, this side is said to be opposite of this angle. This side is said to be opposite side. This side is said to be adjacent side. And this one is said to be hypotenuse. So as long as the theta is fixed, the ratio of the side will be fixed. So let us give name for each ratios. There are 6 ways I can find the ratio. One is opposite side by hypotenuse. Let me conclude it. After that I will interact with you. You can ask me doubt. Okay, that is the best way. Let us give some name for each ratios. Opposite by hypotenuse, that ratio will be same for the similar triangle with the same theta. So let us give the name for opposite by hypotenuse. Mathematically it is denoted by sine theta. Sine of theta. Full form is sine of theta. Full form. So sine theta opposite by hypotenuse. Now next ratio, adjacent by hypotenuse. We are defining some name for each ratios. Adjacent by hypotenuse will be same for the other similar right angle triangles with the same theta. Adjacent by hypotenuse, it is said to be cosine of theta, short form cos theta. Let me write here. The next is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent side, it is said to be tangent of theta, short form tan theta. 3 ratios I have got, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. You have to memorize all the ratios. Using these ratios, I told you, we are able to measure the height of the tower, distance between 2 points. Okay, lots of application you will learn later. I mean in the next chapter you will learn. So sine, cos, tan. There are other ratios like hypotenuse by opposite. Is that possible? Yes, hypotenuse by opposite. It is another ratio. It is said to be cosec theta. Cosec theta is simply reciprocal of sin theta. Just memorize that one only. Okay. Cosec theta is another ratio. It is reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta will be hypotenuse by opposite. But better you memorize this. Okay, this is much convenient. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta. Then sec theta, it is the reciprocal of cos theta, meaning that adjacent by hypotenuse by adjacent. And finally, what is that? Cot theta, reciprocal of tan theta, meaning that adjacent by opposite. So the importance of these ratios is, these ratios are fixed provided the angle theta is fixed. For a given angle theta, all these ratios will be fixed, whatever may be the size of the triangle. If theta is same, whatever may be the size, sides of the right angle triangle, as long as the theta is same for two triangle, the ratio will be fixed. These 6 are said to be trigonometric ratios. Okay, so all of you please write down, and if you don't understand any concept, you please ask me. If you have written and understood till this step, you can raise your hand. Nishita understood, Samruti okay, Yukta, Lina, everyone okay. There are plenty of identities, but let me explain 2 more identity. After that I will discuss questions. Now all of you please listen. Sin theta is this, cos theta is this. Is that okay? If I divide here, what will be sin theta by cos theta then? You will get an important property here. If I take the division here, you have to take the division in the right side also. Proof will not be asked in exam, so don't worry about that. Okay. If I take the ratio, if I do the division here, you have to write the division in the right side also. What will be sin theta by cos theta then? If you take the ratio in the right side, it is clear that this hypotenuse cancels. You will be getting opposite by adjacent. Sin theta by cos theta will be opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent is actually tan theta. Proof is not important, that is why I don't want to write it. So what I am saying is sin theta by cos theta will be tan theta. It is the most important identity in this chapter. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to, or tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is the most important identity in this chapter. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. In most of the show that questions we require this. If you take reciprocal both sides, reciprocal of tan, I told you it is cot. If I take reciprocal in the left side, I have to take the reciprocal in the other right side also. All this you have to memorize, especially this one. Okay. I will discuss problems based on all these properties. Okay. In the next chapter, you will learn applications of trigonometry. Okay. So all of you please write down. If you have written and clear, you can raise your hand. Nishit completed. Samriddhi, Lina, Yukta, everyone okay, clear. So let me discuss questions. Again there are properties, but I will explain the remaining properties later. So let me start with the first exercise. Okay. Let me start with the first exercise. All of you please listen, look at this question. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, we have to draw the diagram, otherwise we are not able to write sine, cos. Okay. In a right angle triangle ABC, let me draw the right angle. 1 minute. Right angle triangle ABC. ABC, right angled at B. This is 90 degree. AB equal to 24 centimeter. BC equal to 7 centimeter. AC not given in the question. The side AC is not given in the question. The first question is sine and cos. If you get the answer, you can send me a chat message. Okay, I will check. The first question is about sine and cos. Remember, I want the third side. I want hypotenuse, because sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So I want hypotenuse. Anybody, how will you find the hypotenuse? Anybody? Please respond.
Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, Pythagoras theorem. Yes. You studied that hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square will be equal to sum of squares of other sides. You studied in lower classes. In any right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. What is this 24 square? Let me find it. (24 square you will get 576. 7 square you will get 49. So AC square, if you add, you will get 625. AC square equal to 625. Tell me, what is AC? Anybody?
AC is 25.
Ah, yes, very good. 25, very good, very good. AC square 625, AC will be square root of 625. By trial and error, you are familiar with the taking square root. By trial and error, you can check 25 square will be 625. The number should be ending in 5. The number should be ending in 5. Then only the square will be 625. Okay. So I got AC. Let me write AC in the diagram. Okay. 25. I want sin A cos A. Okay. So this is A. Understood? This is A. With respect to A, the 7 is considered as opposite side. I will delete later. Okay. This is temporarily I am writing. If you have pencil, you may write it. A opposite means distant side. Distant side. 25. There is no confusion in that. It is hypotenuse. With respect to angle A, the 24 is said to be the adjacent side. If you have pencil, you can write, but later I will delete it. So adjacent side, opposite, everything is okay. I want sin A cos A. First question. Sin A equal to formula, you must memorize it. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Never forget it. Sin theta is opposite. Sin A equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite, what is that? 7. Hypotenuse, look at the diagram, 25. Cos A, we have a formula, we have already studied adjacent by hypotenuse. Never forget it. Okay, adjacent by hypotenuse. Look at the diagram. 24 divided by 25. So very simple question. The first one is over. All of it clear? This question is okay. The first part is okay. Please respond. Nishit,
Yes.
Samriti, Lina, Yukta. Everyone is clear. Okay. Let me delete it. This one. What is the next question? What is the second question? The second question is sin C cos C. This one is C. I want sin C and cos C. If you consider C, the 24 will be the opposite side. The distant side, if you consider C, with respect to C, 24 is the hypotenuse. Yukta, you finished or do you have any doubt?
Yeah, I finished.
Are you finished? Just 1 minute. If you have finished, I will give you a separate question. Don't worry, okay? I will give you a separate question for you if you have finished. Find other trigonometric ratios. You try it. If you are not getting, don't worry. I will discuss the similar questions. Find other trigonometric ratios. If you finish, you can unmute and tell me. If you are not getting, don't worry. I am going to discuss that kind of question. So the second question is Samriti, Lina, audible? You are listening? Nishit, is that okay? Okay. With respect to C, opposite side is that one. This is said to be adjacent. This is hypotenuse. Sin C is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite, I have, look at the diagram, okay? Hypotenuse 25. Cos C, we have a formula adjacent by hypotenuse. Look at the diagram. Adjacent is 7, correct? Hypotenuse 25, completed. So, if you have written and clear, you can raise your hand. If you have written and clear, raise your hand. Nishit, Samriti, understood. Lina, okay, clear, understood. Next is, and Yukta, if you have finished that question, you can tell me. Figure 8.13, tan P minus quota. I will give you question for practice. The second question I am discussing. Figure 8.13. A diagram is given. Figure 8.13. Let me copy and paste that diagram. Okay, we have a diagram. What is our question? Tan P minus cot R. Tan P. But the problem is one side is not given. Two sides are available, but this side is not given. Let me find out the side. Then I can find tan P. Okay. This is opposite side. I need it. You can use Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to. Understood? Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other sides. I have already discussed. Hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Calculation I don't want to discuss. We can rearrange 169 minus 144. QR square equal to 25. QR equal to 5. I hope you have understood. QR equal to 5 centimeter. Yukta, you finished? Samriddhi, you completed? Okay. Lina, you send me the answer. 1 minute. Let me check. Is it already taken in your school? You can tell me. Otherwise, if it is already taken, I will give you extra problems.
In my school, it's already taken.
Already taken. Lina, others, please tell me.
Sir, in my school also.
Already taken. Okay, I will discuss the another question. Okay, I will change the values. Okay, so
My school also already taken, but a little bit confused.
a little bit confusion. Anyway, you send me the answer of this question, Lina, right? You send me the answer. Nishit, is it taken in your school, Nishit?
No, sir, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, for others, for those students who have finished this question, I will give you another question. Okay. Not this. 1 minute. You can send me WhatsApp message. Okay. Try this question. You can send me WhatsApp message. For Dishit, you listen here, okay? Those who have not completed this solution, you please listen. QR equal to 5 is okay, Nishit? Is that okay? QR equal to 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minute. Let me switch on the. 1 minute. Okay, so what is our question? Tan P minus cot R, right? Tan P, this is P. P opposite side is this one. There is no confusion in that. I will delete it. Okay. Adjacent side with respect to P, this will be the adjacent side. Hypotenuse, you have no confusion. Okay. Tan P equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Already studied, never forget it. Opposite is 5, adjacent side is 12. Understood? Nishit, Lina already sent. Samriddhi understood? Samriddhi understood? Cot R, we are not familiar with the cot. You know that cot is the reciprocal of tan. Let me find out tan. You take the reciprocal of tan, you will get cot. We are familiar with the sine cos tan. So cot R, yes, definitely we will get. Let me find out tan r. Let me find out tan r. Let me find out tan r. 1 minute. Shall I mark opposite and adjacent? It is clear. Understood. Tan r equal to opposite by adjacent. The opposite side of r is 12. Adjacent sides of r is 5. Yukta, you finished? Yukta, you finished this question solution? Tell me what is the value of cot C.
Okay, so the first answer is sin A is 6 upon 10.
1 minute. 1 minute. I want only cot C.
Oh, cot C
Ah.
from the extra question, na?
This question in the right side. I have written the question. Cot C.
Cot C is 6 upon 8.
Yes, correct. What is CK?
Sec A is 10 upon 6.
10 upon 6. Are you sure? Sec A.
Sec A is 1 upon cos A, right?
Sec A is 10 by 8. You please check your solution.
Yeah. I got confused with cos C.
Okay. Just 1 minute. 1 minute. So tan r equal to 12 by 5. Nishit, you understood? Nishit?
Yes, sir.
Cot r. Just 1 minute. It will be over. Okay. 1 or 2 steps only. Cot r will be the reciprocal of 12 by 5. You agree with me? Cot r will be the reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of tan is said to be cot. So 5 by 12. I got tan P and cot R. I will explain questions outside NCERT also. Okay. But let me complete it. I will discuss NCERT problem as well as outside NCERT. Tan P minus cot R. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. You will get 0 answer. Okay. All of you please write down. If you have written and clear, raise your hand. Okay. Completed. Yukta, I will give you tough questions. Just 1 minute. Let me select the third one. Third one I will discuss later. I am not going in the correct order. I don't want to go in the correct order. Let me discuss fifth one. Okay. Fifth question. Yukta, you can try this question. Everyone, or Lina, if you know the solution, you can try. You can send me the solution. Okay. Anyway, let me discuss. Samriddhi, okay. Sec theta equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. It is another type of question. Sec theta equal to 13 by 12. We are familiar with the sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. The remaining are the reciprocals, right? Sec theta 13 by 12. You know that sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, or cos theta is the reciprocal of sec theta. Reciprocal of 13 by 12 will be 12 by 13. We familiar with the sin, cos, tan only. That is why you know the reciprocal of cos sec or reciprocal of sec cos. So I am taking reciprocal both side. Cos theta equal to 12 by 13. You have to draw a right angle triangle as per this equation. You have to draw a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, let this angle be theta. Cos theta, you know that cos theta is the adjacent side by hypotenuse, right? Most of the students write that adjacent side as 12 just by comparing. most of the students simply compare left and right, and they write that adjacent side is 12, hypotenuse 13. In fact, it is not correct, exactly correct, but final answer will be correct. The final answer will be correct, no doubt. But I am discussing the solution given in NCERT textbook. Don't deviate from the solution given in the NCERT textbook, because in exam you may lose the mark. Okay, the whatever method mentioned in the NCERT textbook, you have to use that method. So what I am saying is, this does not mean that adjacent side is 12. This means that adjacent side will be some multiple of 12. It is not necessary that adjacent side is 12. Adjacent side will be some multiple of 12, generally written as 12k. This ratio equal to this ratio does not mean that hypotenuse equal to 13. But generally hypotenuse will be a multiple of 13. Hypotenuse will be the same multiple of 13. Both you have to use k. Okay, understood? So this is the right way. If you don't use k, you will not get full mark, but your final answer will be correct. Till this step you are okay? Nishit, Lina, Yukta, all of you clear?
Sir, can you repeat it again?
I will repeat. All of you please listen. Adjacent side by hypotenuse 12 by 13. Does it actually mean that adjacent side 12 and hypotenuse 13? Not necessary. You know that 12 by 13 can be written in different ways. 12 by 13 can be written in different ways, like 24 by 26, 120 by 130. 12 by 30 can be written in different ways. It is a ratio. If I multiply numerator and denominator, the ratio remains same. So why don't we take then adjacent side as 120 and hypotenuse as 130? There is a possibility, right? There is a possibility. So what I am saying is 12 by 13 can be written in different ways. So it is not necessary that adjacent side 12, adjacent side can be 24, hypotenuse can be 26. There are possibility. So my conclusion is this: if one ratio equal to if two ratios are equal, generally numerator cannot be compared and denominator cannot be compared. If two ratios are equal, generally what we can say, adjacent side equal to a multiple of 12. It can be 24, can be 120, like that. Adjacent side will be some multiple of 12. Multiple of 12 is generally written as 12 into k, like 12 into 2 or 12 into 3, like that. Hypotenuse will be again multiple of 13, so 13k. Generally you have to write like this. If you don't use k, final answer will be same, but I doubt whether you get full mark or not. Okay, this is the method given in NCERT. Okay, this step is clear to you? Okay, Lina, Nishit,
Yes, sir.
Yukta, are you there? Okay. Yukta, if you have finished, you please tell me.
Yeah, I've solved it.
You solved it?
Yeah.
Then let me give you a tough question then. Since it is already taken in your school, I will give you some difficult questions. You can try it. 1 minute. Sec theta plus tan theta equal to 2. Find all trigonometric ratios. It is a tough question. It's a really tough question, but you just try it. Since it is already covered in school, you just try it. Others, please look here. If you get the answer, you please tell me. So Nishit, Lina, everyone is okay till this step?
Yes, sir.
So I don't know this side. I can find out this side using Pythagoras theorem. Let me give some name, say ABC. I can find it. Pythagoras theorem says that AB square plus 12k square. The sum of squares of these sides will be hypotenuse square. This is Pythagoras theorem, right? AB I want. AB square plus, you can ask me doubt, Nishit, let me complete the 1 or 2 steps. After that you can ask me doubt. 12k whole square, 12 square is 144. 144k square. Right side 13 square will be 169 k square. I hope you have understood. So next step will be, I want AB, right? You can take this term to the other side. Samriddhi, what happened? Network issue?
Yes, sir, I was disconnected.
Okay. Anyway, you go through the steps. If you don't understand any step, you can ask me. 144k square taken to the other side. You will get 169k square minus 144k square. AB square equal to 169 minus 144 will be 25. 25k square. Taking square root. Root of 25k square. Root 25 is 5. Root k square is k. So finally I got AB. It is 5k. I want all trigonometric ratios. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, everything. With respect to theta, 5k will be the opposite side. With respect to theta. 12k is the adjacent side. 13k is the hypotenuse. I want all the trigonometric ratios. By looking at the diagram, I am going to find out. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Never forget. Look at the diagram and substitute. Opposite is 5k. Hypotenuse is 13k. K cancels. 5 by 30. Devasri, you can join at 8:30 p.m. Okay, Devasri.
Okay.
Cos theta is equal to, it is already written. Cos theta is already written. You simply copy that. Cos theta is 12 by 13. Now tan theta. Tan theta is formula is opposite side by adjacent side. Look at the diagram and substitute. Look at the diagram. Opposite side is 5k. Adjacent side is 12k. K cancels. Sin, cos, tan I got. The remaining 3 will be reciprocals of these 3. I mean cosec theta, you know, it is reciprocal of sin theta. I have already written that. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So reciprocal of 5 by 13. Reciprocal of 5 by 13 will be 13 by 5. Next is sec theta is already given in the question, but you may write it again. Sec theta is already given in the question. And finally cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of 5 by 12 will be 12 by 5. This is the right way, okay? So all of you please write down. Don't forget this type of question. This is very important problem. If you have written, finished, no doubt, raise your hand. Yukta finished. Nishita, Lina, Samriddhi, everyone okay. Yukta, have you got the answer of that question?
I'm still solving it.
You are solving, okay. Once you get the answer, you please tell me. If you are not getting, I will explain the first step.
Yeah. Okay.
I will explain the first step if you are not getting. So all of you are finished. Okay, then next is a seventh one. We will learn one property that I will use that property. Okay. The questions are very simple. Okay. Let me discuss the fourth question. Okay, fourth question. The last exercise is the most difficult exercise. The other exercises are very simple. I will explain the first step. You have to send me the answer through WhatsApp. 15 cot A equal to 8. 15 taken to other side, 8 by 15. Is that okay? One more step I will discuss. You have to send me the remaining step. Reciprocal of cot is tan. Tan A equal to 15 by 8. Now you try very similar to previous question.